Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you want to open your Trust Wallet and then you want to go on versus buy. Once you go on buy, you want to click on versus Bitcoin over here because we want to buy Bitcoin. But if you don't see Bitcoin over here, you can search for it writing BTC. But I see it, so I'm gonna click on it. Once you click on Bitcoin, it's gonna bring you over here, and over here you want to enter the amount you want to buy. So minimum is $50, so you gotta go above 50. All right, so I'm gonna buy around 80. So for $80 worth of Bitcoin, I'm gonna receive this much. After that, I can choose which method of payment I want to choose. I can click on versus MoonPay over here and choose whichever method I want. Let's say I like Simplex. I'm gonna choose Simplex and I click on next. Now it's gonna take me to the website of Simplex because that's the payment method I chose. Now once I'm over here, I need to enter my debit or my credit card or my bank account number so it can take money from my account to pay for the Bitcoin. So over here it accepts card only, so I gotta choose a method of payment. All right, so I gotta enter my Visa or my MasterCard number over here, its expiration date, the card name, the card security code, and tick mark this and then click on next. And after I do that, 80 USDT will be taken out from my card and it's going to be used to buy Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin is going to be automatically be sent to our wallet on Trust Wallet, and it's going to be stored over there. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.